Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson. Today we will learn geometry, and the topics in today's chapter are measuring a line segment, straight and curved lines, polygons, circles, and to draw a circle of a given radius. So let's start by learning about a point, a line segment, a line, and a ray. Have a look at this table. This table shows the difference between the point, line segment, line, and ray. An exact location is denoted by a point. Look at point B, for example. A point has no length, breadth, or height. Next, let's move to the line segment. A straight path between 2 points is a line segment. Here, PQ is a line segment denoted by PQ. Line segments have a definite length. Now, let's talk about line. An endless straight path that extends in both directions is a line. This is a line AB, denoted by AB. A line has infinite length. Ray. A ray is a straight path having one end and extending endlessly in one direction only. Have a look at ray XY. Here X is the initial point and the ray is denoted by XY. A ray has no definite length. Measuring line segments. We can measure line segments using the tool called a ruler, or more commonly called as a scale. One edge of a scale is measured in centimeters, while the other in inches. We measure line segments in centimeters. Have a look at the picture of this scale. Here, each centimeter is divided into 10 equal divisions. Each small division is called a millimeter. So, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now, let's use this scale to measure line segment PQ. We place one edge of the ruler at the starting point P. Keeping the 0 centimeter at P, we measure the line segment. Since the point Q coincides with 5, PQ is 5 centimeters. Drawing a line segment of a given length. Now let's learn how to draw a line segment of length 10.5 centimeters. First step is to place the ruler on a sheet of paper and mark point 0 and name it A. Mark another point B against the 10.5 centimeter mark. Join the 2 points A and B using the ruler. AB is the required line segment of length 10.5 centimeters. Now I hope you understood that. Let's test it with an exercise. Let's identify the name of the following. Here we can see that PI extends in both directions. Thus, PI is a line. We now have to count and name the line segments. This is a cuboid. We have 12 line segments. The names of the line segments are PQ, QR, RS, SP, TU, UV, VW, WT, PU, QT, SV, and RW. Now let's fill in the blanks. A dash has only one endpoint. We know that a ray has only one endpoint. Straight and curved lines. Straight lines can be drawn by moving a pencil along the edge of a straight object like a ruler or a cube. Similarly, a curved line can be drawn by moving the pencil along a curved edge like a coin or a can, or even freehand. Thus, we can draw a curved line using a pen on pencil without lifting it. Now, have a look at these figures. Here we have figures A, B, C, D, E, and F. Figures A, B, C, and D are closed curves, and E and F are open curves. Curves which have no definite start or end point are called closed curves, while the curves that have both a starting and ending point are called open curves. Also, a closed curve that does not intersect itself is called a simple closed curve. To understand the difference, have a look at these two curves. Here we have figures A and B. Here, A is not a simple closed curve because it intersects itself, and B is a simple closed curve. Polygon. A polygon is a simple closed figure that is formed by 3 or more line segments. We have learnt about simple polygons in previous classes like triangles, squares and rectangles. Let's revise them again. Triangle. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. It has 3 vertices and 3 edges. Here we have triangle ABC, denoted as triangle ABC. Quadrilaterals. Polygons with 4 sides are called quadrilaterals. Have a look at this figure. Here, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Squares and rectangles are special quadrilaterals. Pentagon. A polygon with 5 sides is called a pentagon. Penta means 5. Here, figure ABCDE is a pentagon. Similarly, a polygon with 6 sides is called a hexagon. Try this for example. And one with 7 sides is called a heptagon, like this one right here. Now I hope you understood that. Let's test it with an exercise. Let's write the name of the following figures. Here is an open curve. We now have to write true or false for the given statements. A square is a quadrilateral. True. A square is a special quadrilateral. We now have to write the vertices and edges of the following figures. Here we have a square. A square has 4 vertices. Those are PQ, RS. The edges of the square are PQ, QR, RS and SP. Circle. A circle is a closed figure, each of whose points are equidistant from a fixed point inside it. This fixed point is known as the center of the circle. Have a look at this figure. Here we have a figure. O is the center of the circle. A, B and C are 3 points on the circle. And OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. A circle is not a polygon because it has no straight lines. The distance between the center of the circle to any point on the circle is known as the radius of the circle. In a circle, all radii are of equal length. As we saw earlier, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. Diameter. A line joining 2 points in a circle and passing through the center is known as the diameter. A diameter divides the circle into 2 equal parts. Have a look at this figure. Here we have circle O and diameter POQ. Since PO is equal to OQ because they are radii of the circle, PO plus OQ is equal to PQ. PO plus OQ is equal to PQ. 2PO is equal to PQ. Hence, the diameter of a circle is equal to 2 times its radius. A chord. A line segment joining 2 points in a circle is called a chord. Have a look at this figure. In this figure, we can see PQ, PR, PS, PT and PQ are all chords. Observe, PS passes through the center and hence is a special chord. So, the chord that passes through the center of the circle is the diameter. Also, remember, the diameter is the longest chord of a circle. To draw a circle of a given radius, we can draw a circle of any given radius using a compass that is available in the geometry box. It has one leg made out of steel and another leg where we can fix a pencil. Here are the steps to draw a circle. The first step is to open the legs of a compass to 6 cm using a ruler as shown. The next step is to mark any point O on the plane of the paper and place the steel end at it. Hold the head of the compass steadily, then rotate it such that the pencil end touches the paper and draws the circle. Here you have your circle. Now I hope you understood that. Let's test it with an exercise. Let's fill in the blanks. Every point on a circle is at the same distance from the center. We now have to name the following in the given figure. The radii in the given circle are OP, OS, OR and OQ. A circle has a radius of 5 cm. How long is the diameter? We know that the formula of a diameter is 2 times its radius. So here the answer is 2 into 5, which is 10 centimeters. True or false? A circle is a polygon. False. A circle has no straight lines. Therefore, it is not a polygon. We now have to find the number of line segments in these figures. In this figure, we have a total of 10 line segments. Now, let's go through the summary of today's lesson. Today, we learnt about measuring a line segment, straight and curved lines, polygons, circles, and to draw a circle of a given radius.